Well, good afternoon. So it's Tuesday, the 7th of May. Right now we're approaching noontime. Oh, I'm sorry, we're approaching 1 o'clock, so we still got about 15 minutes in the day, but thought we'd come on now before we close the market and look at what's going on. A little bit of a calmer market today after yesterday's meltdown. We heard that the Chinese delegation that was originally scheduled to come this week. There were rumors that they were going to cancel. Now they are coming to the U.S., so there's some hope that we will at least work back to the point where we're not starting the tariffs, which are set to start on Friday. So if in fact that does develop, we'll see this market regain some of what it's lost. Ultimately, a trade agreement will be worth a really good bounce. We've talked about that for I don't know how many months, but it's still something to talk about. So if anything is weighing a little bit on the market today and keeping it from really moving up as we saw it move up earlier or during the night, it is the fact that the Dow Jones is down 520. Now that being down like that is taking some of the shine off this market today. We're still up in grains. We were up in cotton. We're actually down some in cotton right now. But that's kind of the bottom line. You know, we can talk about weather, rain in the Midwest. We can talk about a lot of things, but we're going to have to start talking about what could be about to happen with regard to a trade agreement, either an agreement that happens or an agreement that does not happen, and the repercussions of it. So let's just look and see where we are right now in the markets. I'll refer to my screen here. We've got at the moment still trading. July cotton is down 19 at 73.36 with a high of 74.72 and a low of 73.32. December cotton down 11 at 72.80 with a high of 74.24, a low of 72.67. Now, at one point overnight, the cotton market was up about 150 points. So it really reacted in a positive way. But now we've lost some of that. Looking at July soybeans, up a penny and a quarter at 831.5, a high of 836.25, a low of 827. November soybeans are up a half at 853.5. At one point, the market was up about 6 or 7 on the day, so we have drifted off. Corn in July up 2.5 at 366.75, a high of 368.25, a low of 363. December corn right now is up 2 at 384. Looking at July wheat, up 2.25 at 439.25, a high of 442.25, a low of 431.25. Looking at outside markets and financials, we've got crude oil, and we've circled this. Crude oil down $1.11, still above $60. That puts it at 61.15. The dollar is up 13. Gold and silver are mixed, with gold up $2 and silver down 1 cent. And the last again on the Dow Jones at the moment down 529. That's really going to keep a lid on these markets from being able to do much to the upside. And that'll be true tomorrow also as we keep an eye on that. So that's it. Have a good evening, and we'll talk to you later.